Hello, my name is Austin Schroeder, and I'm presenting my design thinking project on Nike. Design thinking is an ideology and a process concerned with solving complex problems in a higher, user-centric way. This unique way of problem solving has been around for many years, but only recently included in collegiate curriculum. Many of the most brilliant minds and companies use design thinking. The first stage of the design thinking process is to gain an emphatic understanding of the problem you are trying to solve. Next, you put together the information you have curated and gathered during the previous stage. During the third stage of the design thinking process, designers are ready to start generating ideas. The design team will now produce a number of inexpensive, scaled-down versions of the product so they can investigate the problem solutions generated in the previous stage. Designers or evaluators rigorously test the completed product using the best solutions identified during the prototyping phase. Nike is an American company founded in 1962 and is the world's largest producer of sporting apparel, shoes, and equipment. As of 2018, Nike was the most valuable global apparel brand with a value of $28 billion US. Once Nike started becoming a global brand, they began facing many challenges. Some of these challenges including poor working conditions, salaries below federal minimum wage, and underage workers. Once the public found out about these horrible circumstances, many loyal customers started boycotting Nike apparel, which resultantly decreased sales. Design thinking solved Nike's production issue by investigating each step of the production process. Nike launched new production lines with better working conditions and better pay for their employees. Mr. Knight, the founder of Nike, decided to make an innovative change during this process. He noticed there was an enormous amount of waste at the factory, so his team decided to incorporate recycled materials in their products. Currently, 71% of Nike's footwear now contains materials made from waste products from its own manufacturing process. This was a genius addition in the revamp of the production process. Nike was able to repair their image with society and their employees, as well as increase profits. Nike's revenue has soared 64%, and it has limited absolute emissions to only 20%. Growth across manufacturing, logistics, and Nike-owned facilities. Nike has proven it is possible to decrease emissions while increasing profit. Other companies should replicate what Nike has been able to do with the power of design thinking. Design thinking. Just do it.